Introduction of a member of my family. 1. My name is Sara Melissa Galindo Marroquin. I am 15 years old and I am in 9th grade. I am tall, I have black hair and I love to dance. I like with my mom. Her name is Sandra, his name Marroquin Parra. She has black hair. She is 45 years old and she is short. Her favorite pastime is reading and watching action movies. She is currently my support and at the moment she works for a company from home. Thank you.